through CAP, my daughter, my youngest one, she has a social worker, I want to say that's what they're called. Family worker. Come in at least once a week, and I told her about how like there's some things I was concerned about here, and she's like, well, try helping you. You guys help with like baby proofing, child proofing, and with my kids, they're daredevils. With childproofing, and there's this new laundry detergent sample that they gave, and it's really good for eczema, which one of my kids do have eczema, so really friendly. Didn't feel like I was being judged because we were like still in the middle of moving, and you guys answered my questions, even no matter how stupid they sounded in my head. Yeah, I would. I already have, actually.